In an isosceles triangle ABC, with AB being equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O and show that, okay. So first thing first, for this we need to draw the diagram. So we have triangle ABC. So wherein we have AB is equal to AC. So by default, angle B will be equal to angle C. The bisector of this will be so, and the same thing over here as well. So if this entire thing was 2x, this particular angle will be x, and this also will be x. And we are supposed to join AO. So by the way, this is O. Show that BO is equal to OC, okay, and A bisects angle A. Sorry, AO bisects angle A. That is this particular angle if it's equal to Y, right? And OAC will also be equal to Y. So these are all the things that we need to handle. Okay, so what do we have to do? Yes, we'll have to write the given first. What is given? AB is equal to AC. OB is bisector of angle B. Okay, so you can write the statement. So this means angular bisector. If you don't write angle over here, that's okay, because we're telling bisection of a particular angle. So by default, it will be a angular bisector. So what does this imply? This implies that ABO. Oh yeah, sorry. This also we can write off. Just a minute. So first thing first, since these two sides are equal, we can tell this implies angle B is equal to angle C. We'll call this as 2x. Reason: opposite angles of equal sides in a triangle are equal. And then the statement. So we have, this implies angle ABO, which is equal to angle OBC, which in turn is equal to angle ABC by 2. So this is x, right? 2x by x is x. So both are x. Now similarly, we have what is given? We have been given that OC is bisector of angle C. So we have angle PCO, which is equal to angle OCA, which is equal to angle BCA by 2, which is equal to x, right? Again, have a look at the diagram, things will be clear. BCO is equal to OCA, and it will be half of PCA, which is x. So we are pretty much making things clear in the given itself. We'll make this habit so that things are simpler. Then what else? That's it. Okay, so yeah. Now we have the proof. Oh yeah, sorry. To prove is, or to show. So we need to prove that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. Now the proof. So how do you go about proving it? So we just happen to get BOC being equal to OCB. How? From this, is it not? So it's given. So we have to write in triangle OBC, we have angle OBC, which is equal to angle OCB, which is equal to x. All this is from given. You can check given we have proved that. That's what we are trying to tell. And this implies OB is equal to OC, sides opposite to equal, angles are equal in a given triangle. Okay, so we just prove that OB is equal to OC. Done. Next, we have to prove that OAC is equal to BAO. Okay, so these two angles are equal. How can we do that? Well, if we happen to consider AOB and AOC triangles, okay, let me shade that. If you guys are not able to figure it out, I should be using this one and this one. Okay, if you prove these two triangles are congruent, and we are done. Okay, so those two angles are equal. Thus, it means that AO is getting bisected. I mean, AO is bisecting A. How do you prove these two triangles are congruent? How do you prove this? Well, we have AB is equal to AC already given. OB is equal to OC, we just proved it, and AO is common. And so these two triangles are congruent. That's it. So we have in triangle OAB and OAC, so we have AB is equal to AC given, OA is common, and we have OB is equal to OC, thus triangle AOB is congruent to triangle OAC by SSS congruency. Okay, side congruency. So we can use this. Yes, you guys have not come across SSS till now, but again, you get questions as a whole of the chapter. You won't get questions which are, okay, this is the exercise and these are all the theorems which you can use. Right? I hope it makes sense. SSS, all the sides are equal, so it has to be congruent. That's the definition of congruency, right? So this implies angle OAB is equal to angle OAC by CP CT, which in turn tells that OA bisects angle A. So all the things are proved. Okay, so let's check the list. Yes, we have two things to prove and we did it. Right, again, don't hesitate to use proof or theorems which are in the future. So SSS, I think, yeah, it will come in the future, but it's okay. Right, so you can use it, and you can, if you want to prove some other way, that's also good enough, not an issue. So as of now, what I feel was the shortest, I did that. So it's left to you guys, but yes, you can use theorems which are to be proved or used later on. All that is okay. So please pause and have a look.